Tulip, tulip, colors bright, waking up in morning light, standing pretty row by row. In the breeze you gently glow. Springtime brings your lovely hue, fresh and happy just like you.
Marigold.
Marigold in orange gold, bright and happy, bold and bold, dancing in the sunny day, cheerful in your glowing way. Festive flower full of cheer, spreading joy both far and near.
Lily.
Lily white, so soft, so fair, lovely petals everywhere, calm and graceful, standing tall, gentle beauty loved by all, shining softly day and night, pure and peaceful, clean and bright.
Lavender.
Lavender in purple rose, swaying softly as wind blows, calm and peaceful, sweet and light, filling hearts with soft delight. Gentle beauty, cool and true, soothing dreams in every hue.
Jasmine.
Jasmine blooms in quiet night, tiny flowers soft and white, sweet aroma fills the air, floating gently everywhere, soft and dreamy, calm and slow, in the moonlight you will glow. Tulips dancing in the morning light, lavender waving soft and bright, jasmine